Hello everyone, welcome to TechBook. In this video, we are going to learn and understand the Java program that prints pattern based on the user's choice. This will help us to understand the concepts like loops, nested loops, and switch case statements in a simple way. Let's get started. Here is our question. Using the switch statement, write a menu-driven program for the following. So we have two different patterns. So both are in the increasing patterns. So here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way here we have the word pattern. First we need to import the scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner. Now let us create our main class, public class. I'll give the class name as menu driven program. After this we'll define the main class, public static void main string args. Inside main method, we'll create scanner object and display the menu to the user using the loop. So it is scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. We'll take one variable to store the choice, that is int choi. Using the loop, we'll give the menu for the user. Do system.out.println 1 pattern 1 2 pattern 2. One more system.out.println enter choice. Now we have to take the input from the user, so we'll store it to the variable choice. It is choice is equal to scanner dot next int. It will take the input from the user. We'll use switch case to call different methods based on the user's choice. Let's write the switch block. Switch give choice. If user press 1, case 1 print pattern 1. Case 2 print pattern 2. Remember here print pattern 1 and print pattern 2 are user defined functions or user defined methods. Switch also required one default block, so it is default. I'll give it as system.out.println invalid choice. If the user make any other choice other than 1 and 2, it prints the invalid choice statement. So we'll close the switch and we'll close this loop while true. Now let us define the methods to print the pattern. So the pattern given was 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. First I will declare the method name, that is print pattern 1. Public static void print pattern 1. Here we have rows and columns in the pattern and we need two loops to run this pattern. So the outer loop controls the number of rows and the inner loops will control the columns in each row. So first we'll write the outer loop. It is for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So here we have 5 columns. It starts from I is equal to 1 and runs up to I is equal to 5. So there are 5 rows. Next, the inner loop controls the columns in each row. So let us define that. For int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. So it prints number from 1 to I. For example, when I is equal to 3, it prints 1, 2, 3. So we are going to print the j. System.out.println will print j and we'll have some space among this. We'll close this and here one more system.out.println to come to new line and we'll close the outer loop and also the method. I will explain the code now. When I is equal to 1, so it prints 1. When I is equal to 2, it prints 1, 2. When I is 2 here, j is equal to 1. So first 1 prints and j get increments. J is 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, it is true. So again 2 prints. Next once again j increments, j becomes 3, 3 less than or equal to 2, it is false. So it comes out of the loops, I increments, I is equal to 3. So it prints 1, 2, 3. And next I is equal to 4, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4. Next I is equal to 5, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we will write the code for the second pattern, that is the word pattern. The pattern was B, B, L, B, L, U, B, L, U, E. So let us declare the print pattern 2 method, public static void print pattern 2. So you observe here this same method name we have given in the switch block. Let's store the word blue in a string variable, that is string word is equal to blue. We'll print it letter by letter in a triangular shape. Again, we need two loops to control the row and also the columns. So first we'll write the outer loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 4. So either you can write it as word dot length. Word dot length will return the number of characters in the string. So in this case it is 4, I plus plus. So here I have taken as 0 to 4. Now it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Less than 4 means it is 3. Now we'll write the inner loop for int j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. This inner loop will print the character from index 0 to I. Let's print the character in the index. System.out.println word dot char at j, and we'll give some space. Here word at char j gets the character at the index j in the word. When j is equal to 2 means it prints the character at the index 2. Here 0, 1, 2, it prints the u here. One more print statement, system.out.println. So it moves to the next line after printing one row. We'll close this outer loop, and also we should close the print pattern 2 method, and we'll close the class here. Let's see how this code is going to be executed. When I is equal to 0, it prints B. When I is equal to 1, it prints BL. Now let us see when I is equal to 2. So here I is equal to 2. J is 0 and word at caret 0 is B. And next J increments. So J became 1. 1 is less than 2. It is true. Word dot caret 1. It is L. And next J becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 2. It is true. So word dot caret 2 is U. It prints U. And next again J increments. So it becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 2. It is false. So it comes out of the inner loop. And now I increments. I is equal to 3. When I is equal to 3, again J prints. So J is equal to 0. It prints word dot caret 0. It is B. And next J increments. It prints L. Again J increments. It prints U. Once again J increments. It prints E. Again J increments, so which becomes 4 less than or equal to 3, false. So it comes out of the loop, and again here also the loop get breaked. That's for today's lesson, and I have put the complete code in the description. You can check it there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechBook. Drop a comment if you have any doubts. I will be happy to help you out. See you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. Thank you.